Okay, so my mom is an amazing decorator, and every year she goes all out for Christmas, and her house, I would say, is like a classic farmhouse style, and as you can see in the back, she's kind of gone with that theme for Christmas. So I am going to do a quick house tour of my mom's house. So here we go. So I'm starting at the front of the house. This is the entryway when you walk in the front door. She has these little lanterns, and you see the dining room, and then you see the staircase. I love how she did the garland. I'm not sure where she got that at, but she does that pretty much every year, and it goes all the way up to the top. This is the office. She didn't do too many Christmas decorations in here, but she has this little, she moves all of her plants in from the outside since it gets cold here. And I love this little snowman. He's so cute. I think she got that as a present from one of her coworkers. Not sure where they got that at, probably a little grocery store or something. We have our Christmas card from this year, and then a Ray Dunn Merry Christmas sign. And I think that's it from the office. Moving to the front entryway, she has these battery operated candles all throughout the house, which are awesome because you don't have to worry about the flame. I love this urn. I think that's what you call it. I love the birch sticks in it. I think that's such a nice touch for Christmas. And I love this table. So she's had this table forever, and she painted it white. Put this rustic window in the back. I think she got that at a little market that we go to. And then all of the houses are from the Target dollar spot. And she just put little tea light candles in them, the battery operated kind. And I think it turned out so cute. I love this wreath too. The wreath, I believe, is from Home Goods. And this cross just stays up all year round. That's from Hobby Lobby. And we have this little, I don't know what you call it, nook in the wall. And she changes this out for every season. In here she just did some winter greens and whites and some pine cones, which is pretty. I think all of that's from either Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. She loves these little gnomes. I think they're really cute. She has another Ray Dunn sign from Home Goods. And here in the bathroom, I don't think actually, there's just some little lights on the sink, pretty simple. She has this little, let me turn the light on. She has this little gnome from Home Goods. That's a Ray Dunn gnome. And then she also has this sign, Stay a While, which is from the Hearth and Hand line from Magnolia at Target. Okay, so this is her sunroom slash bar area, and we're hosting some people for dinner tonight, so we have everything ready to go. I like this little letterboard. I think I got her that from, I'm blanking on where I got that from, but you can find them pretty much anywhere nowadays. This stuff is amazing. We get this every year for Christmas. It's called Rudolph's Mix, and it's from the Wonder Shop at Target. But as you can see, it's like really yummy trail mix with puppy chow in it, which is just, it's amazing. And then she has a little second bar area that she decorated. I really like these mirrored wall art behind it. I think it's really pretty. And she just has little candies, some Christmas lights. These are from the Target dollar spot forever ago. A little cloche with some pine cones. A little Ray Dunn sign again. And yeah, we have some Christmas presents back here, overflow from under the tree. My mom has an amazing plant section in her house. She usually has plants in this sunroom, and then we have a screened-in sun porch on the back of the house that she keeps a bunch of plants in. So like I said earlier, it just gets really cold, so she has to move them all in. But yeah, I love her plants. She has a little plant rack over here and then some more over there. Oh, this is funny. This is my Hallmark Christmas movie watching blanket. I love that. I forget where that's from, but we definitely watch a lot of Hallmark this time of year. This whole set of furniture she has had for such a long time. I believe it's all from Pottery Barn, the lamps and the coffee table, and then this side table as well. But yeah, I love how she did this little tray. We actually got all 3 of these, I don't really know what they're called, lanterns maybe, these glass lanterns from Goodwill. They are at Goodwill all the time. We see them pretty much every time we go. So I love that. She just changed out the pillows and put a little white wreath up there. And another window in the back here with this joy sign. I think this is from another craft show that we went to. And then some more plants. So cute. And a little poinsettia that her friend gave her. Okay, now moving on to the family room. I love the family room. I think it's so pretty. So she has a tray on here that she has 3 little candles on. One of those battery ones, some garland. This garland is from the Target Dollar Spot. I'm not sure where the tray is from. She actually recently had this entertainment center repainted, and same with the coffee table. And I think it turned out really, really nice. And I love how she does this at the top with the Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus. I think it's so pretty how it's lit up. She got that at another one of the craft shows that we go to. And she has a little red Ray Dunn sleigh and a little Ray Dunn Christmas truck, which is so cute. Let's see, some more pillows. I believe she gets all of her pillows from Home Goods. They have the best pillow selection. This little side table, I think this is really pretty. This lantern is from Hobby Lobby, and she just put some pine cones next to it. This is our Christmas card from this year. This I think is really pretty. This Oh Holy Night sign. I think that's from Hobby Lobby. And another Ray Dunn tree. Joyful, I think that's so cute. These I believe are from Hobby Lobby. And this snowman, I love the snowman. She's had this for such a long time. And yeah. Ray Dunn Christmas pillow, I think that's really cute. I believe those are new this year. And okay, so this is the mantle and a second view of the Christmas tree. I think it turned out so pretty. We did some different ribbon this year, and I love how it turned out. She's always so good about getting all coordinated wrapping paper and bows and tags, so I love how she does that. This is the fireplace. Normally it's lit. We don't have it lit right now. The lanterns are from Hobby Lobby. And she just has a little assortment of stockings and stocking holders. I love this light up garland. She put little picks in it. I think the picks are either from Home Goods or Hobby Lobby as well. It's pretty much a theme for this video. And they put up this mirror on the mantle, which I love. That mirror is from Kirklands. That's another one of our favorite spots to get decor from. The candlesticks, I believe, are from Hobby Lobby. And she just did a variety of stockings. Not sure where they're all from. I know these are from Target this year. I love how they turned out. Okay, so now moving on to the tree. I'll just do a little bit of some close-ups here, but she just has all different kinds of ornaments I love those little booties. And I love this tobacco basket ornament. I think that's super cute. This ornament is huge. It's like the size of my hand. And these poinsettias are really, really nice. Those are from Kirklands this year. They just make the tree look so full, and I love how it turned out. So then moving on to this other side table, she has a matching snowman. And this, I believe, she actually got from Goodwill as well. That's a really nice find. Just a little bowl filled with some pine cones, and some pine cones back there as well. And then some more pillows from Home Goods. And this little shelf above the couch. I really like those flocked trees. I think those are from Target, I believe, or Hobby Lobby. And I love how this basket turned out with the wreath on it. So yeah, I'll give another look of the family room. So pretty. View of the dining room. And like I said, we're having some people over, so it's all done up. Normally we'll do like the fabric napkins. Tonight we are having barbecue, so we just decided to do some little raid-on paper napkins. But yeah, I love this. This is like a dough bowl. It looks like a dough bowl, but it's not. I forget what it's called. But I believe that's from Hobby Lobby, and the little candle inserts are from Amazon. So that's really pretty. She just has some floral arrangements, and I believe the chargers are from Kirklands, both of them, I think. And I just think it turned out so nice. She moved this chair in. We had to move some furniture around because in order to fit the Christmas tree. And this is an overview of another big shelf she has in here. So these are from Goodwill as well, the matching set. It's really nice. The nativity set, I'm not sure where that's from, but we've had that forever. And then in here we have a little wax warmer. It smells really good. These are new this year from Home Goods. It's Raid On, a little book stack. And this plate she has had for such a long time. I think it's so cute. It's from Southern Living, I believe. And you can change out the ribbon each year for each holiday. And then down here she has this cake stand from Magnolia with a little Christmas bowl in it. And this little pot is from Southern Living as well. And then one last thing in here is the little window display. Again, these little houses are from the Target dollar spot. This sign, I believe, is from Kirklands. And this tree, I think, is from Target or Hobby Lobby. And then just another little shelf on this corner. I really like that gather sign. And our radio going with Christmas music. This is a big mirror. I believe this mirror is from Hobby Lobby. And this wreath lights up and it's so pretty. I love the Christmas bells on it. I'm not sure where that's from, but probably Home Goods if I had to guess. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. She has a little desk right here. She has her Magnolia cookbook in this cute little holder, and a peppermint jar from Rae Dunn. This little lamp is from Target. We use this radio all the time. It's awesome. Highly recommend. And then this is new for her this year. We got a bunch of Rae Dunn mugs, and we got a little mug rack, which is so cute. And then behind it is this little rustic farmhouse wreath on some wood. And I'll scoot back so you can see it all. This is the hot cocoa station / coffee bar / Nespresso station. And we collected all of these from Home Goods. She has these little cocoa stirrers. So cute. Some candy canes, some hot cocoa. A little Merry Christmas picture. And then I really like how she leaves the mug underneath the coffee maker. So cute. Okay, so this is the last part of the home tour, but this is the kitchen. And she has such a nice kitchen. It's all lit up and looks so pretty. So my brother and I made these gingerbread houses last night. I think we got them at Costco. I did an M for our last name. She hung up all of her Christmas cards on this little holder. And you can see the garland really does go throughout the whole entire house, which I think is such a nice touch. And she has this basket slash holder. I'm not sure exactly where that's from. Oh, from Home Goods. She is whispering it to me right now, but that's from Home Goods. I think the runner is from Target. She's shaking her head yes. And she has these floating shelves, which I think I ordered these for her off of Wayfair. But she has some little Christmas trees. These I believe are all from the Target dollar spot this year. So cute. And she just has the exact same set of shelves on the other side with some little Christmas houses and trees again, which are from the Target dollar spot. And the sink she has all lit up. I love how she did this. She has these little candle lights that she put picks on to make them look all festive, which I think is so cute. This Merry Christmas tray I believe is from Target last year. I like it. And then she just added in some more pine cones into this plant down there. This little picture. These stands were at the Target dollar spot this year. I love it. Oh, I forgot this little tray here. So many people have this tray. This is the Magnolia Hearth and Hand line again. My mom just put out some more Rae-Dunn things on it. This is a pour over coffee maker. This little guy is so cute. And she put a little pick in it. So yeah, normally this is on the island, but since we're getting ready, we have a bunch of food and everything on the island. Here's another look. She has another Rae-Dunn sign up there. Bless this kitchen. We're making corn in the microwave. And this tray is really nice. This is from a local vendor called Union Farm, and we have a lot of their stuff. So that's just for fruit and things. So yeah. So that is it for the home tour. I really hope you all enjoyed it. My mom is an amazing decorator, and I'm so thankful she helps me, or she lets me help her decorate her house for Christmas. And yeah, I figured I could kind of make this a tradition and film one of these every single year. So I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.